Hello everyone and welcome back to HotCuppaCrypto. My name is Jordan. Today we have an unbelievable crypto market update. So I need to take a sip of my coffee. Take a sip of your tasty beverage, my friends, because you would not believe the disaster that has come before us. But before we jump into the news, crypto news, don't forget to subscribe to the channel HotCuppaCrypto and turn on the bell notification so that you guys always get the news first before anyone else. Brand new altcoins, DeFi projects and cryptocurrency videos. But basically guys, check this out. We do have the dollar breaking down today off of the CPI report. We are going to get to the chaos that has happened in the crypto markets a bit later, but this is actually going to help the crypto markets a little bit because we can see the bond 10-year US bond breaking down now today as well. We do have also the US stock markets rallying like never before. As you guys can see, we do have the Nasdaq plus 4% today, which is crazy, and the S&P. You can't actually see the green candle here, but they are pumping right up essentially. So they are rising so fast that the green candle can't even print here on the chart, and that is the same here for the Dow Jones and the Russell 2000 and all of the US indexes. You can see right here what is happening to the US stock market 30. As you can see, a massive gigantic pump. This is all because of today's inflation numbers. Today's inflation report, 7.7 CPI. So inflation did come slightly lower than expected, and the markets pumped because of this. As you can see, the US stock market 30 Wall Street index has exploded, and the Nasdaq nearly plus 5%. Wow. And the S&P 500 plus 4%, Dow Jones plus 3%. So the US stock markets here are pumping. And we can see that the US Treasury bond 10-year has actually significantly dumped now due to this CPI data, and broken the trend, the upwards trend. And also the dollar here has broken out of this significant sideways ranging wedge basically that we have drawn here. It was stuck in this wedge range, and now it has broken down. So basically pretty interesting here to see that the CPI has had a huge effect on the markets as usual. US inflation has slowed more than the forecast, giving the Fed room to essentially stop raising interest rates. This is the whole big thing. This gives the Fed an excuse to say that, okay, we are winning against inflation. Now we can lower interest rates or stop raising interest rates as fast as they previously were doing, right? Which is causing the markets to pump. And we do even have Bitcoin pumping. Let's quickly show you guys that. We have had the massive crypto crash following the FTX disaster, but Bitcoin has had a huge green candle back up to 17.5K, its previous support, following the CPI, and Ethereum pumping, and all of the altcoins pumping too. You can see the green candle on all of them. So that is the CPI, and as we can see, as part of this data release for the CPI, the inflation, we can see that it is energy that is keeping CPI the highest here out of all items: food, energy, and all other non-energy items as well. So the energy is keeping the CPI high, and we will see how that develops as well. But it is a positive rebound reaction from all of the markets and a downward break from the dollar. So this is very significant. Keep your eyes on this and follow us guys on the channel HotCuppaCrypto if you don't want to miss the newest latest cryptocurrency news. And you can see all of the full versions of these updates over there on the channel HotCuppaCrypto, guys. We do have FTX absolutely collapsing and causing an explosive disaster in the cryptocurrency markets as prices deepen. Crypto crisis has basically caused contagion now across the whole market, and we've seen this so many times in crypto, but this is potentially the record-breaking biggest collapse ever. As we can see here, huge news about FTX absolutely collapsing. $8 billion, guys, as you can see by Coin Bureau, who reports here. They have lost far more than $8 billion of customers' money. Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO of FTX, previously transferred at least $4 billion in FTX's funds to support his Alameda crypto fund, basically his investment fund, including users' deposits. And we can also see here, guys, that he made a tweet just before FTX collapsed, saying and advising people to invest the last bit of their money into his FTT token here, and explaining and promising everyone that he promises that it is about to pump and hit new all-time highs. And of course, He wanted, as this guy said here, he wanted you to long into his Ponzi scheme before he rugs it next week. It was actually a rug pull, which means that he has pulled the rug out from underneath you. Essentially, Sam Bankman-Fried quietly deleted his claim that FTX customers' funds were safe directly after this. And if you are wondering where your funds are, guys, if you are using FTX, well, your funds have been directly transferred to Sifu. Your funds are with Sifu now. We have this phrase in the cryptocurrency market called funds are Safu. And it was created by the CEO of Binance. Funds are Safu, which means your funds are safe in crypto. It's kind of like a trust phrase for crypto projects to market and to advertise for their marketing in crypto to gain trust from the users. Well, apparently it was the fact that you were reading this wrong, and your funds are in fact directly transferred to Sifu. And if you are wondering who Sifu is Sam Bankman's best friend, and his location is technically in the Cayman Islands, or basically unknown. Nobody knows where it is, but some people do rumor that his mysterious location is in the Cayman Islands, guys. So if you guys want to go and find Sifu, then all you have to do is travel all the way to the Cayman Islands in order to check where your funds are safely with him. But essentially, yeah, he'll be chilling on his yachts and enjoying his paradise life with everyone's funds. So that is the situation. If you are wondering where your funds are, now you know. And remember, follow HotCuppaCrypto for more hilarious news, updates on the crypto market. Guys, we have seen these kinds of collapses hundreds and hundreds of times, so this is not shocking at all. Of course, this is entirely expected, and we knew this was going to happen, so we did warn you. So guys, go ahead and follow the channel to never miss out on that. Crypto.com holds USDC and USDT deposits and withdrawals. This could be another crypto exchange in trouble. Hopefully we won't see any more, but we will. They did come out and reassure investors that everything would be fine, but we will be keeping up to date with what is happening. It is causing Tether to depeg. All of this contagion in the crypto market chaos is before us, and we did check the price of Tether. It did go down as far as about 98 cents. So it is a stable coin, USD. It is supposed to be pegged 1-to-1 with the dollar, so it is always supposed to have a value of $1, and today it dropped that value, as we can see here, measured against another BUSD stablecoin. It was all the way, the BUSD rose in value all the way up to 103 against it, which means that USD Tether did temporarily depeg and drop in value by $4, causing ultimate fear in the crypto market and everyone to literally panic. And it is like a new crisis in crypto, and everyone is worried about this having contagion effects into multiple other platforms and causing even more disasters, and maybe even causing stablecoins to collapse. We saw Bitcoin and all of the cryptocurrencies drop, of course, after the crypto chaos, and we can see here everything is down. It is absolutely a disaster. We do have cryptocurrency FTT token minus 86%, Solana minus 47%, Aptos minus 37%, and we do have a lot of the crypto coins down. Doge minus 30%, and just everything basically minus 90% if you add up multiple of the last weeks. This is because this is only in the last 7 days, guys. So yeah, keep that in mind. Pretty terrifying. So the news about FTX has destroyed the trust in the crypto market. We have seen altcoins get absolutely shafted, essentially, by Bitcoin, as we can see demonstrated here, and we have seen multiple times. As you can see by this. We have seen multiple times, as you can see by this video, Bitcoin getting Bitcoin bouncing up and down to 20k and then back down and then up again and then down. Cryptocurrency is a emotional roller coaster, to say the least, an absolute insane journey, and hopefully we all pray, as we've seen Bitcoin hit 69k in the past, we've seen the China ban, we've seen the fears about World War III, we have seen all the fears about Bitcoin. We do hope that Bitcoin safely gets to 500k and eventually 1 million, guys. We will have to hope and pray for the crypto market. But follow us on the channel, HotCuppaCrypto, if you guys want more updates and follow along with crypto in the future. If you guys still believe in crypto, I believe in it long term. And I have been here and seen so many scams, guys. The very first one was BitConnect. and I got scammed so many times and lost my money so many times. Lost all of my money. However, guys, I have made it back, and each time I have come back stronger and become more and more successful each time and more wealthier. And this is a Wall Street cheat sheet about where we could potentially be in the bear market right now. We could be at panic. It's saying you are here. So we could have a long way still to go of the bear market, but who knows what is going to happen. You simply can't predict these things in crypto any longer. But what you can predict is crypto. You should never invest more than you can afford to lose, because you will lose all of it, and all your funds will be directly transferred, guys, to Sifu. So keep that in mind. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the cryptocurrency market update today. As you can see, the market is looking relatively healthy as normal. We will see what happens. Don't forget to follow HotCuppaCrypto, and we will see you guys soon in the next video.